Hi, I'm Dr. Radha Sharma. Today I'm going to give you some tips about how to take care of your skin in summers. So what happens is summertime, since there's a lot of continuous sweating, our skin tends to get dehydrated. As we all know it, dehydrated skins are more prone for sensitivity, fine lines, wrinkles, pigmentation and damage and certain other dermatological conditions. So how to take care of your skin, and when you're getting dehydrated, what all you should do? First thing is drink fluid. That fluid can be your water, your coconut water, your buttermilk, your lime water, any sort of a water except your carbonated drinks. Because carbonated drink or caffeinated drink tends to dehydrate you more. So always stick to water-based drink. The more you drink water, the more hydrated you keep yourself. Secondly, if I talk about is your face washes or how to take care of your face during the time. Most important is you use AHA or BHA face wash, that is glycolic or salicylic acid based face wash, whenever you have acne prone skin in summers. So after getting a good face wash or cleaning your skin, it's important that you moisturize and sunscreen. So firstly, I will talk about the most important thing, that is your sunscreen. It is a must thing to do in summers. Sunscreen, if I talk about anything between 30 to 50 is perfect. So do not run after your SPF. Always know how to apply your sunscreens or certain tips about or certain do's and don'ts with the sunscreens. So if I say anything above 30 is fine for face. If you have some pigmentation issues, you should always stick to somewhere in between SPF 50. It's important that you apply good quantity of sunscreen. It's somewhere between this much of sunscreen is enough if you apply on the face and neck, covering your ear areas as well. And remaining you can put it on your hand, because these are the most commonly exposed areas in sun. When you apply your sunscreen, make sure you put it 20 minutes before you're going out sun, followed by repeating it after every 3.5 to 4 hours. Because any sunscreen, irrespective of its SPF or any brand, the effect only lasts for 3.5 hours. That's for the normal skin. If you have any pigmentary conditions, you should always repeat your sunscreen a little early, that is somewhere around 2.5 to 3 hours. Let's come down to moisturizers in summers. Every skin, every weather needs moisturizer. So if I talk about in summers, yes, we do need moisturizer in cases of summer weather also. So in summers, you need mostly gel-based moisturizer if you have a oily or a combinational skin. When I talk about gel-based moisturizer, there's a plenty of moisturizers available which are gel-based in the market, which are very well mentioned, gel or a silicone-based or a water-based moisturizers. Whenever you come back home in the night, always thoroughly clean your face, moisturize it with a good moisturizer every night. It is important even in summers. So what happens is when you moisturize your skin in the night, it goes into under a repair form. So when you give a good moisturizing to your skin at the night time, so whatever the damage you have been through entire day, your skin tends to repair it along with a good moisturizer. Secondly, many people ask that is it good to exfoliate during summers or not? Yes, it's always good to exfoliate, but do not over exfoliate. In cases of sensitive skin or dry skin, I only advise my patient to exfoliate only once in a week, if at all needed. So use a milder or a soft beat moisturizer. Do not ever go for something very harsh, because they tend to make your dehydrated skin go sensitive. Exfoliation should always be done at the night time, because overnight your skin calms down with kind of exfoliation that you go through. So whatever the redness and bit of eruptions you might get it overnight, they kind of calms down if you use exfoliation at the night time. Followed by your antioxidant serums, your vitamin C, your lightening agents, anything that you apply later on. Thirdly, if I talk about in summers, we tend to get a lot of fungal infections due to high sweating. So what you should do is whenever you're going out in the sun, always touch some anti-fungal powders in your folds, and followed by certain light color clothes, and you do not wear, as you all know it, because the dark clothes are good absorbent of heat. So always wear cotton based light color clothes in cases of summers. Mangoes, yes, have been, a lot of people talk about they do not eat mangoes much because yes, they have a high sugar content. So you tend to get 1 or 2 acnes if you eat a lot of mangoes due to high content in mangoes. So that's all I would advise you in summers. Thank you.